I will do a reverse flower dip on 10 by 10 inch canvas with flower shaped cup and the bubble wrap for the reverse part. And I have this just to measure my sides, and I will use manganese blue, my pearl white mixture of course, sky blue light by Amsterdam, phthalo by Amsterdam, ultramarine by Amsterdam, and Prussian blue by Artist Colors. And my base coat will be black, oxide black by Amsterdam. Everything is mixed about 2:1 with my pouring medium. And I will just cover this nicely, and I will just do it off camera because I will pour back into my cup and I don't want to mess my space where I will do my flower. And since in the meantime, I will teach this live in Dublin this June. So, first fluid art event in Europe. So European people, if you want to learn live, this is the opportunity. Because when you see these things live, the consistency and everything, it's totally different. You feel it, then just see it through camera, or how can I say? Okay, so I covered my canvas with black base, nice even coat. And I will just find the middle with this yarn, string, whatever you have, just to, because these reverse flower dips with flower shaped cup, they look like kind of like a mandala, and I want to have them as centered as I can, but normally I have some problems with that. Okay, so I will start with this manganese blue, and I will just layer 2 blues between pearl white. But manganese will be alone this time. Pearl white. Sky blue light. And phthalo. And pearl white again. Cobalt. And Prussian. I'll turn this a little bit because I always kind of pour on one side. White again. tap a little bit. Definitely different than with the paper napkin, but I love it. We'll just and I think that I will do one little spin, but before that I have to pour a little more black around, even though that I like that you know, texture that stayed, so maybe I should leave it. I don't know if this texture will level out. It will definitely level out a little bit, but maybe it will still stay a little of this. So I think that I will leave this one to dry and maybe do another one and see how it would be if I spin it out. It's a beautiful one. Love it. So let's just leave this one and I will do another one and spin it out. So let me take you down for a close. So first I will try to show you why I want to see if this will level out totally or it will stay a little bit of that texture. I don't know. That's why I will leave it to dry. And I really love the flower. So beautiful. Love it. So stay tuned for the dry results. Okay, not completely dried yet. She's still wet here in the middle, but some of that textured kind of look stayed, as you can see, and I love it. And the other thing, I put my bubble wrap down here, and the next project will definitely be do the reverse dip on one canvas with like I did it, and put this on the canvas, blanked canvas, or how can I say, to get maybe, I don't know, something, because it's kind of interesting, isn't it? Not the perfect dots here, but I think that if I put this on the canvas, blank canvas, that it could look nice. I don't know, I will definitely try. But this beauty is beautiful. I love it. So let me think, let me know in the comments, what do you think if I should try to put this on another canvas, and what do you think about this kind of texture around. Okay, this was it for today. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what you think, if we should try that. Bye.